Oh, I will reach for the stars and let the light touch my heart. By the will of Allah, He has written who we are.
Alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. We are gonna go by Walmart, pick up 2 watermelons, and then we're gonna go to one of my co-workers' place to just chill. And we did this I think a couple of years back, and Sumaya and Sulaiman wanted to go back, so that's what we're doing. We got the watermelon, so let's get out of here. Once we got there, the kids changed into their swimming clothes, and then they just were so excited to jump into the pool and float around, and at some point to dive into the bottom of the pool and just have so much fun. I guess all those swimming lessons kind of paid off. They cannot fully swim, but they're comfortable in the water. I was not worried about them jumping into the pool on their own without me being in there. And with that, me and my colleague just sat outside the pool and watched them from distance, and we just chit-chatted about work and life basically. And we also, of course, enjoyed the watermelon we got from Walmart. And then after that, we walked on the side of the pool where she had this tiny blueberry tree.
There's some right here and some here. You guys can pick as many as you want. But remember to not pick the red ones because they don't taste good and they're not ripe. But yeah, he won't bite. He doesn't bite.
Who?
That bumblebee, they don't bite.
Yeah, they don't bite. They stay.
And look, there's these. No,
This is
not even
more
a
than
bumblebee.
enough.
What?
A bumblebee doesn't stay
Look,
either.
blueberries.
I just
Look at that little flower.
Tasty.
don't like the ones.
Yeah, the right ones are the good ones.
Okay.
And
So
you
man,
guys
you've
wanna-
been in the water for far too long. Your fingers are like wrinkled up. No, this is plenty. I mean, they're not that huge, but
I don't. Here.
And you guys should pick flowers for your mom and bring back. You guys want to pick some flowers for your mom?
Should I put?
yeah.
Maybe when we're done picking these.
Yeah, when you're done doing the blueberries.
I'm saving these blueberries.
You want to get into some dry clues and then you can come back out and get some more.
Just pick. That's enough. Let me have one. Okay, Bisda. Leave some for the other people. Okay?
Oh, we have to save. But we have to save food for winter.
Sulaiman, we're gonna be buying blueberries. You know, this is just for fun, okay?
These are wild blueberries.
I don't know if I would consider these wild blueberries, but... Did you have fun?
Yes.
A little fun or big fun?
Big fun.
You had a lot of fun?
Yes.
Several days later.
I've been trying to pressure wash this front balcony area for a good minute, but I didn't get the opportunity to until now. So I moved some of the stuff out of the way, and then I'm going to pressure wash it. That's what's happening. Let's get it. This is how it looks right now. So, There are stains all over the place. Because this is also where we keep our trash, so sometimes it leaks. And also there's this bird poop right here because of this right here. We have this bird feeder, and the birds, while they're eating, they're also pooping down here. So all of these stains should be gotten rid of. Okay, next we're going to be pressure washing this mini fridge and the microwave right here. I brought these out a few weeks ago. I just haven't got the time to do the pressure washing until now. So they collected a bit of dust, more dust than I was expecting. I'm not even sure if this is safe, but I'm gonna pressure wash the fridge. I'm assuming it is though, but I hope it really is. It's the microwave that I'm more concerned, especially on the inside, but we'll just do the outside. Looks clean. Will it work when I bring it inside? That's a whole separate thing to figure out. Now we're gonna redo the doors. Let's do this side. That would have taken at least half an hour to an hour to get rid of all the stains, and this thing does it in seconds. Say bye-bye.
Subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe. Hit that little bell down below.